If there's one essential tool in the kitchen, it's the blender. With it, you can make everything from purees and soups to delicious fruit smoothies, making this compact appliance the perfect choice for anyone looking to streamline and speed up their cooking prep time. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best smoothie blenders available on the market and help you decide which one suits your needs the best. If you're interested in seeing the current prices of each of these blenders, or if you wish to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can check them out whenever you like. We begin with the Nutribullet Original 600 blender. With its 600-watt motor, this blender transforms any ingredient into a smooth, drinkable consistency with ease. Cleaning is a breeze. Just twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. Did you know that most smoothies can be made in under 60 seconds? Thanks to this blender, you can quickly add a healthy nutrition boost to your busy day. Its simple and intuitive design makes it easy to use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. The blades are designed for nutrient extraction, turning everyday ingredients into superfoods, ensuring you get the most nutrients out of each ingredient. The blender kit comes with everything you need: a 600-watt motor, an extractor blade, and a large 24-ounce cup. The Nutribullet Original 600 is the ideal choice for anyone looking for a quick and easy way to incorporate healthy nutrition into their daily routine. With its powerful performance, effortless cleaning, and user-friendly design, it's the perfect tool to enjoy vitality-packed smoothies every day. Next, we have the Magic Bullet Blender. This small kitchen appliance combines a sleek design, colorful look, and compact size, making it a fun and practical addition to your daily health routine. Despite its small size, the Magic Bullet doesn't compromise on performance. It can chop, blend, whip, and grind just as effectively as larger blenders on the market. Make your own homemade smoothies with your favorite fresh ingredients, and enjoy the convenience of portable cups and a resealable lid to keep your blends fresh. This blender features a 200-watt motor, a cross blade, and a 16-ounce cup, providing enough power to meet your daily blending needs. Additionally, its ultra-compact design and lightweight build of just 1.8 pounds make it easy to store in your kitchen. The Magic Bullet Blender is the perfect companion for creating healthy drinks quickly and conveniently, thanks to its powerful performance, portability, and compact design. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the Ninja BN301 blender, perfect for those who love making smoothies. This powerful blender stands out with its intuitive base and a 900-watt peak motor, which powers the contents of the cup to deliver an optimal blend. With just a press, you'll get a smooth and consistent mix in no time, making it an excellent choice for smoothie and shake enthusiasts. One of the key features of this blender is its professional-grade extractor blades, designed to crush ice and break down whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly. This ensures a complete nutrient extraction, allowing you to make the most out of every ingredient. Another great advantage is that you can blend directly into one of the 3 included cups. These cups allow you to enjoy your creations on the go, thanks to their convenient drinking lids, or you can store them using the storage lids that come with the package. Additionally, the Ninja BN301 includes 20 recipes to inspire you and help you prepare your favorite smoothies and shakes with ease. For even more convenience, all parts like the cups, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. We continue this list with the Nutribullet Pro 900, a true gem for those looking for simple and effective nutrition. Its sleek design and colorful appearance make this personal blender not only functional but also a delight to look at. Don't be fooled by its looks though, as behind its stylish exterior lies a powerful 900-watt motor, making it an essential tool in your kitchen. This personal blender makes preparing healthy meals a breeze. With its 900-watt motor, it can easily blend everything from strawberries to spinach into nutritious creations that can improve your daily diet. Its simple and intuitive design allows for easy daily use. Just press, twist, and blend. Plus, it comes with a 24-ounce cup for convenient blending. What's amazing is that most smoothies can be prepared in under 60 seconds with the Nutribullet Pro, which means you can effortlessly incorporate healthy eating into your routine without added stress. The kit includes everything you need: a 900W motor base, 1 extraction blade, 1 24-ounce cup, and a comfort lip ring with a handle. Another standout feature is the ease of cleaning. making this blender the perfect choice for anyone looking to live a healthier life without the hassle. Next on the list is the Rêveuse 300 Smoothie Blender. With 300 watts of power and 4 high-speed stainless steel blades, this blender is strong enough to easily crush fruits and vegetables. It's perfect for making smoothies, morning protein shakes, or even baby formula. Operating the blender is simple. Just press down to start and twist the bottle to lock it in place for continuous blending. One of its standout features is portability. You can blend and drink from the same bottle, which comes with a handy travel lid, making it perfect for taking to the office, gym, class, or on the go. The package includes two 18.6 ounces BPA-free bottles that are easy to clean with water, providing a safe, healthy, and durable solution for any family member. It's designed for convenience and efficiency, offering a seamless experience when preparing drinks. Inside the box, you'll find the 300-watt motor base, two 550 milliliters blending bottles, two leak-proof lids, and a tray for ice cubes. The Rêveuse 300 combines power, portability, and ease of use, making it a great choice for enjoying healthy smoothies anywhere, anytime. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the Ganiza GB10 blender, an excellent choice for those seeking power and versatility. With its 900-watt maximum power and turbocharged pulse motor technology, this blender can effortlessly handle dense ingredients like nuts or hard fruits, blending them quickly and efficiently. It reaches up to 25,000 RPM, allowing you to create healthy and nutritious smoothies with just the press of a button. Equipped with 6 stainless steel blades, it can crush ice and break down a wide variety of ingredients, making it perfect for preparing juices, sauces, shakes, and even baby food. It also includes flat blades that use a cyclonic action for grinding coffee, spices, and other tough ingredients. Safety is a top priority with the Ganiza GB10. The blender will only operate when the cup is securely locked in place, and it features ventilation at the bottom to effectively dissipate heat. Its non-slip silicone pads ensure stability during use, adding to its safe and secure design. The set comes with 15 accessories, including a 24 ounces portable cup, 17-ounce medium cups, and a 10-ounce grinder, among others. Cleaning is a breeze. Just use warm water and soap, and the parts, except for the motor, are dishwasher safe. Finally, we present the Rêveuse 600 Smoothie Blender. Made from BPA-free materials, its 20 ounces and 24 ounces food-grade cups ensure your safety. The cups are also dishwasher safe and can be cleaned easily with water. Equipped with a high-quality pure copper motor, this blender is built to last. With 600 watts of power and 6 high-speed stainless steel blades that are 0.06 inches thick, it's strong enough to crush frozen fruits, ice, and nuts in seconds. Whether you're making morning coffee, protein shakes, or icy drinks, the Rêveuse 600 gets the job done efficiently. It offers hands-free operation, and its compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen corner. Plus, it's convenient since you can blend and drink straight from the same bottle. The sport lid makes it easy to carry with you to the office, gym, school, car, or your bag. For added safety, the blender comes with overload and overheating protection, along with an auto recovery feature, ensuring both performance and peace of mind. Well, that's all for now. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect smoothie blender, or tell us which other blenders we should include in the next top list. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos from us. Remember, if you want more information and updated prices for each mentioned product, be sure to check the links in the video description and the first comment. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.